As we just saw, some family members have only a few K of on-chip ROM, the PIC-18F2220, and some, such as the PIC-18F6680, have 64 of ROM. PIC-18F458 has 32 of on-chip ROM. The point to remember is that no member of the PIC family can access more than 2 meg of opcode because the program counter in the PIC is 21 bits wide. That's 000000 to 1F FFFF for the address range. It must be noted that while the first location of program ROM inside the PIC has the address of 000000, the last location can be different depending on the size of the ROM on the chip. Among the PIC-18 family members, the PIC-18F2220 has 4K of on-chip ROM. This 4K ROM memory has memory addresses of 00000 to 000FFF hex. Therefore, the first location of on-chip ROM in this PIC has an address of 0000000, and the last location has the address of 0FFF. If we take a look at this example, it asks us to find the ROM memory address for each of the following PIC chips. So in the first one, the PIC-18F2220 with 4K of space. The first 4K, or with the 4K of on-chip ROM memory space, we have 4096 bytes, or 4 times 10 to the 24. This maps to addresses location of 0000 to 0FFFH. Okay, there's actually one too many F's in there. Notice that 0 is always the first location. In the next one, with the PIC F2410 with 16K, with 16K of on-chip ROM memory space, we have 16384 bytes, or 16 times 10 to the 24. This maps to address location 000 to 3FFF hex. Note, 0 is always, again, the first location. And then finally, in the last one, for the PIC-18F458 with 32KB, this 32K of on-chip memory space, we have 37768 bytes, or 32 times 10 to the 24th. This again maps to the addresses of 0000 to 7FFF in hex. So if we take a look at this, no member of the PIC family, again, can access more than 2 meg of opcode. The program counter then in the PIC is 21 bits wide, or that 000000 to 1FFFF of the address range. So we can see in this diagram then, in looking at the PIC-18F2220, the PIC-18F2410, and finally the PIC-F458. Okay, as an example of diagrammatically showing the ROM address range. Okay, so in the next set we'll take a look at where the PIC wakes up and where it is powered up, because that's important to know where the thing starts every time you turn the power on and off.